The Chevrolet Malibu is a sleek, comfortable, and tech-loaded midsize sedan that blends modern styling, efficiency, and performance into an affordable package. Competing with the Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, Nissan Altima, and Hyundai Sonata, the Malibu stands out with its refined ride, spacious interior, and advanced technology. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a fuel-efficient highway cruiser, or a stylish sedan with premium comfort, the Malibu delivers on all fronts. Exterior, sleek, sporty, and aerodynamic. The Chevrolet Malibu is designed with modern aesthetics and a bold presence, featuring sculpted body lines and aerodynamic profile for an elegant look. Signature LED headlights and LED daytime running lights for a premium touch. Chrome accents on the grille and window trim for a refined appeal. 17 to 19-inch alloy wheels for a sporty stance. Available Midnight Edition and Redline Edition for an aggressive, blacked-out look. With its sleek design and attention to detail, the Malibu turns heads wherever it goes. Interior, spacious, comfortable, and high-tech. Step inside the Malibu, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit and premium materials. 8-inch infotainment touchscreen with Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Premium leather upholstery with heated and ventilated seats. 8-way power adjustable driver's seat for maximum comfort. Dual-zone automatic climate control with rear AC vents. Large trunk space 15.7 CUFT for extra practicality. The Malibu's interior is designed to offer both luxury and functionality, making every drive enjoyable. Engine and performance, balanced power and efficiency. The Malibu is available with multiple engine options, ensuring a smooth and refined driving experience. 1.5L turbocharged 4-cylinder 160 HP and 184 pound-feet torque, paired with a CVT transmission for impressive fuel economy. 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder Premier trim 250 HP and 260 pound-feet torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic for strong acceleration. Front-wheel drive FWD configuration for stability and efficiency. With its turbocharged engines, responsive handling, and refined suspension, the Malibu delivers a balanced ride with enough power for daily driving. Driving experience, smooth, comfortable, and confident. The Malibu is tuned for comfort and confidence, offering electric power steering for effortless maneuvering. McPherson strut front and multi-link rear suspension for a smoother ride. Drive mode selector to adjust performance based on road conditions. Low drag coefficient for better fuel efficiency and stability. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating city streets, the Malibu offers a refined and composed drive. Technology, cutting-edge features for convenience. Chevrolet equips the Malibu with a tech-packed interior, enhancing connectivity and safety. 8-inch infotainment system with Chevrolet MyLink. Premium Bose audio system for immersive sound. Wireless charging pad and multiple USB ports. Keyless entry and remote start for added convenience. Teen driver mode to encourage safe driving habits. With its high-tech features, the Malibu ensures a smart and convenient driving experience. Safety, advanced protection with Chevrolet Safety Assist. The Malibu offers a comprehensive suite of safety features, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. Lane keep assist and lane departure warning. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert. Rear parking sensors and HD rearview camera. With top-tier safety ratings, the Malibu prioritizes driver and passenger protection. Fuel efficiency, a smart sedan for everyday driving. The Malibu's efficient engine options ensure great fuel savings. 1.5L turbo, up to 36 mpg highway. 2.0L turbo, up to 32 mpg highway. If you want a fuel-efficient, comfortable, and stylish sedan, the Malibu is a great choice for daily commuters and long-distance travelers alike. Why the Chevrolet Malibu is a top choice in sedans. Sleek and modern design with premium styling. Spacious and tech-loaded interior with premium features. Turbocharged engine options for a smooth and efficient ride. High safety ratings with Chevrolet Safety Assist. Great fuel economy for everyday driving. Affordable pricing with high value for money. The Chevrolet Malibu is a perfect blend of efficiency, performance, and technology, making it a strong competitor in the midsize sedan market.